Hi everyone, it is Jan here from Jan's Yard. Welcome back to my channel. I am working on a 40 by 40 centimeter deep edge canvas. As you can see, it is a reused canvas. I did not like the outcome of this. This was just something I tried and it did not work out the way that I wanted it to. So today I'm trying something that is going to be really interesting because it is not possible to actually tell the outcome until the piece is dry, because I'm using Amsterdam Pearl paints in 4 different colors and then a black base, because we all know that the pearl paints show best on a dark background. So I'm gonna use a split cut. I'm gonna put one of the pearl paints in the middle, the blue one, and then I'm gonna have black on each side of that, and then in the outer chambers I'm gonna put mix between violet in both and green in one of them and yellow in the other, all pearl paints. So what I'm doing is in those outer chambers I'm going to put in the violet and then a layer of the green and then the violet again, and in the other one is going to be the violet and then a layer of the yellow and then the violet again. The reason being that I don't have that much of the green and yellow pearl paint left, so this is what I'm trying out. All my paints are mixed with the German equivalent to the European Overtroll, which is again is the equivalent to the American Floetrol. This is thick. It is very thick. It's 3 parts of the Malwerk. Marvel. I keep calling it Marvel. Malwerk it's called. It's 3 parts of that, 1 part paint. Then I have a half part of Liquitex pouring medium that I have in these cool Fluid Art Co bottles, and I have a quarter part of GAC 800, so a squirt of the GAC 800, half a part of the Liquitex pouring medium, and then in these you don't really need water, but normally you then thin it with water to get the same consistency on all the paints. But this is gonna be a fairly thick pour, so yeah, we're just gonna use them as is. Okay, I'm just gonna put down some of the base coat on the canvas, mainly to just pour in. I'm just gonna spread this out a little bit.
Let your body take control. You're on my mind, baby. Just move a little closer. And I say, oh, it's the night we'll both remember. Oh, sweet surrender. Oh, we're moving close together. Wanna make
So here's the wet results. I don't have much to say about it yet because we won't know what it will look like when it's dry. Right now, not a favorite. But that could change when it's dry, who knows? But yeah, it does not look to me like it'll be much to look at, to be honest, but we'll have to see. I think that my mistake was that I actually did keep the paint a little too thick. Should have added a little water. That German Malwerk pouring medium is very, very thick, like I said, so probably when you use a split cup, note to myself, add a little water at least, because it didn't really come out the way that I wanted it from the split cup. It was hard to make fingerlings and stuff. So, but that's the wet result. I'll show you the dry when it's dry. And here we have the dry results, a little flyover. It may actually look better on screen than it does in real life. I am not too keen on this one. It's really cool effects with the pearl paints, of course, but this doesn't have much interest, I think. I don't know, it was probably just because it was way too thick, so I didn't get that much happening in the way that the paints were laid out. And so yeah, I am probably not gonna keep this one. I think that I will paint it over again, because I don't like the way that the colors are mixed and not mixed, like this yellow going into the violet. I don't really like the way that it was layered, so not my favorite, but a very interesting pour anyway. So I learned a lot from it, and hope that you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Bye.